Hi everybody, I'm Ed.
And I'm Barb.
And we're the Streeters.
Welcome to the ArtyRV channel where we teach, share, and learn all about glass.
That's right, Barb, and this week we're finishing up the window that we've been restoring. We've restored the paint, a couple of painted pieces on it. We've also added to the top. And this week we're going to frame it and put it in the light in the front of the gallery and let you see what it looks like completed, finished. So hi everybody, welcome back to the back studio here in our private studio at Conway Glass. This section of the building houses our glass cutting table, houses our inventory, houses our packing, and also our blown glass studio. So what we're going to do, I've got my normal just 12-inch DeWalt saw with a 140 tooth blade on it, and we're going to be cutting this oak for our framing material today. So you can see it has a groove right down the middle of it. That groove is 3/8 of an inch deep and 5/16 or 7/32 wide. So anyway, this is what we're using. We're going to cut this wood up, and then we're going to go up front and put the stained glass window right inside of it. So here we go. Remember, always wear your safety glasses. Don't wear loose, floppy clothing when you're working with a saw this big. It can pull your shirt into it and wrap you up tighter than a Christmas present. So anyway, here we go. We're going to cut this. We're going to make sure that we're right on the very edge because we need every bit of this wood. So we're taking just a small little bit of that off. So now I've always found, and you have to remember this in your head, if you put your tape measure on one, let's say your inside miter is 33 and a half, but you're going to put your tape measure on one so that you get it correct. That means down here you have to mark 34 and a half. If you mark 33 and a half, you just wasted 33 and a half inches of oak wood. So keep in mind, if you're burning an inch right there on the corner, if you are burning an inch to the inside of your miter, make sure you add an inch down on the back side of it. So here we go. Really good. So when you're framing this framing material that I use is available at Franklin Art Glass in Columbus, Ohio. Also, it's available at Sunshine Limited up in Buffalo, New York. So for this, we're gonna need an 1/8 inch drill bit. We're gonna need a countersink, and they do make a drill and a countersink combination for doing woodwork. I just don't have one. And then you're gonna need some Elmer's wood glue, because you want to glue these joints together. And then we're going to come in and we're going to set this out like this. And because now the window's going to be hanging this way, so we want to put our screws in this way. Now what we do here is we use an 1.5 inch, number 8, coarse threaded sheetrock screw. It's black. It looks good with the wood. And it's just the right size for what we're doing today. So we're gonna...
You've already glued that?
I've already glued this piece here. So we're gonna just take this.
If you like what Ed's teaching and you want to learn more, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Now once we've pre-drilled our holes, we're countersinking just enough for that number 8 screw to just lay flat. Just like that. Now, let me tell you something, folks. If I didn't have this clamp here, this frame would be all discombobulated. And we don't want that. I mean, you can look at that. It's a nice clean joint. It's clamped, it's glued. See, these clamps work. Nice little screwdriver handle with a grip on it. Heavy, thick, easy threads so that it undoes like it's supposed to in a timely manner for you. We hadn't glued this yet, so we're gonna just unscrew that. Look at that. Awesome. So I'm just using a toothpick for this Elmer's wood glue. I don't want to get so much on there that we make a mess. Now the first thing we're gonna do is our 1/8 inch drill bit and our countersink. And the other thing is, only mark one of them, but mark them. Hold everything.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so if you remember, we started out with this window by removing the broken pieces. When Barbara and I got this, it had a corner here, a corner there, and that was pretty much it. This was busted out, all gone. This was broken in several different pieces, but then we wanted to add this to make it so that the customer could hang it in their home. Hi everybody, wait. I'm just kidding. Thanks for tuning in to the ArtyRV channel. We hope you liked what we had going on this week for you. If you do like it, give us a thumbs up. If you have a comment, just leave it in the comments below. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We've got some cool stuff coming up. Thanks again. See you next week.